Did you know that lemons are more than just a tangy addition to your favorite dishes? In fact, these citrus fruits are bursting with surprising health benefits that you can't afford to miss. First up, lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and fights off colds and infections. Just a squeeze of lemon juice can provide you with a hefty dose of this immunity-boosting vitamin. But that's not all. Lemons can also aid in digestion. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can stimulate the production of digestive juices, promoting better digestion and preventing constipation. It's a refreshing and natural way to kickstart your day. And the benefits of lemons extend beyond the inside of your body. Thanks to its high vitamin C content and natural acids, lemon juice can help improve the health of your skin. It can lighten dark spots, reduce acne, and even tighten your pores. A simple and affordable beauty secret, lemons aren't just for your body, they can also work wonders in keeping your home clean and fresh. The natural acidity of lemon juice makes it a powerful disinfectant and stain remover. From cutting boards to countertops, lemons can tackle grime and leave your surfaces sparkling. So, whether you're sipping on a refreshing lemonade, enjoying a zesty lemon-infused dish, or using it as a natural cleanser, lemons are truly a versatile superfood that can enhance your health and lifestyle in more ways than one. So next time you reach for that lemon, remember its hidden powers and all the astonishing health benefits it holds. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to live a healthy and vibrant life.